Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be on the 3 different sciences which is offered by the Cambridge curriculum. Today's video is an introductory video and not we're going to deep dive into the assessment and the coursework and framework syllabus of the 3 sciences, but a basic introduction. So the Cambridge offers combined science, pure science and coordinated science. We are very much aware what is pure science, but in the recent years we have came across few students and parents asking this question. If I don't want to pursue my career, my child's career in sciences, but the child is interested in science, so can they pursue either of it? So all these questions we're going to keep in mind and we're going to answer those questions in today's video. So if you have any such doubt and if you're confused which science to choose, then you are at the correct place. Stay tuned till the end so that all your confusion is resolved. So let's move forward, deep diving into the 3 different sciences. The very first, now why sciences as an option, which is pure sciences. So pure sciences refer to the specialized field of the 3 sciences which we are aware, which is biology, chemistry and physics. Each as a separate subject of sciences. Each discipline dwells deep into the scientific approaches and principle, and they provide a strong foundation if you are planning to pursue your career in any of the branches of science. Combined science integrates the topic from biology, chemistry and physics into one single general science course. This option offers a broader perspective with less depth compared to pure science. What is coordinate sciences? It is a balanced approach which combines the elements of both pure as well as combined sciences. It provides a moderate depth of study across the science, allowing the students to prepare a variety of pathway or not just basically streamlined to just pure sciences, either of the branches. So why science as a pathway? So different sciences options are available nowadays. Earlier it was just engineering and medical, but nowadays there is plethora of options which are available when a person is going to pursue sciences. Moving forward, we will deep dive into pure sciences first. So the 3 subject codes which we have, that is 0610, which Cambridge framework offers for biology, 0620 for chemistry and 0625 for physics. Now in-depth understanding in the pure science curriculum has a very detailed approach, allow the students to gain profound insight into each scientific discipline. In IGCSE, it is counted as 3 different separate subjects. So IGCSE count would be 3. Ideal candidates who should choose the pure sciences if they are planning to pursue their career into engineering or being a scientist, into medical field, into research field, etc. Moving forward with the combined science. So the subject code which Cambridge curriculum framework offered is 0653. Depth of study will be not as deeper, but then definitely across multiple disciplines of all the combination of branch of sciences. And this approach allows students to acquire the basic foundational scientific understanding if they have a scientific temperament and if they really have that interest in sciences. IGCSE curriculum count this as only one subject. It's a combined science. There is just one. So in the entire curriculum and the syllabus, it is just considered one, which is divided into 3. Bio, Chem, Physics. Ideal candidate who wants to have an interest, but they are not really planning to pursue their career in sciences. It's because of their just pure interest. And for non-scientific backgrounds. When it comes to coordinate sciences, coordinate science, the subject code which Cambridge offers is 0654. Why we're discussing the subject code, so it becomes easy for you for registration, for examination purpose and to understand the assessment pattern of it. The depth of study which coordinate science offers is a feature of moderate to balanced depth to understand the key scientific principles without overwhelming yourself the depth which you have in pure sciences. IGCSE, here there are 2 counts, which means coordinate sciences count as 2 of the subjects, which provides a solid foundation for further studies while keeping your career options open. The ideal candidate who should choose coordinate sciences as one of their subject, who are seeking versatility, who are open for career options in their future, allow them to pursue career in both sciences and non-sciences, because when you go to abroad, if you are planning to go for AS and A level, you can have combination of subjects, not just pure sciences, but you can have other subjects from art, from commerce, etc., depending upon what the university is offering you. So yeah, this was just a basic and a broader understanding of what 3 sciences are. I hope we have resolved most of your query. If you have any doubts, then you can comment in the comment section and we will definitely reach out to you. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.